We are on the way to a new destination. Now going to airport. Yeah, right now at Kolkata airport.
See, we just have reached at Kolkata airport. Now waiting for the Thai Airways counter, but it is not there still. So we are sitting there.
Now waiting for the flight to board and waiting beside the gate. So we have reached at Thailand, our destination. Today it is 25th June 2025. Right now it is 6:30 a.m. in the morning, and it's awesome view. First time in international soil. So it's awesome highway and weather is awesome. So right now at Pattaya beach in the evening. It's awesome view of the sky, different colors, totally blue. And this is the city view beside the beach, just walking through the beach road. And in the evening it looks like awesome. Everyone is just enjoying here.